guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. And my name is Beatrice. In today's video I'll be showing you how to find hidden locked chat on WhatsApp. So let's say you locked the chat and you're trying to find the hidden locked chat on your WhatsApp. So first thing you have to do is open up your WhatsApp like this, and you can simply see where it says locked chat right here, and which is going to require a face ID or fingerprint or a password. So once it's opened, you're going to see lock chat right here. So in order to actually find this, maybe you actually use a secret code to make it hidden so that no random person can just come and see locked chat. Just open up the chat and click on these three dots right here, and you're going to see chat lock settings. You're going to see where it says hide locked chat. You can see this. You can simply hide the locked chat. Click on secret code and impute the secret code. So let's use 000. Click on next and click on the code again to confirm, and you are not going to see this hidden chat anywhere, the lock chat here. So how do you simply find this lock chat? You simply have to impute the code, which is the secret code, for it to actually unlock. Or you can simply actually impute the person's name, and you can see the contact cannot be found. So the only way to actually find the hidden chat is by imputing the secret code and clicking on the locked chat, and this is how you're going to see it. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.